Today, I'm going to give you the code so that you can have this premium slideshow for free on your Shopify site. Let me just refresh this, and you can see it has a nice fade in effect. And if you scroll to the next one, that one will fade in as well. And this is responsive, so you can see it looks great on any screen size, including down to mobile screens. So if that interests you and you want those files all for free, go ahead and keep watching. So go ahead and use the link in the description to go to the GitHub repository and download the code however you want. You can just download the zip file or open it in VS Code, whatever is your preferred method. And then you can just extract that. And if I open this folder, I should have all of the files I need to complete this slideshow. One other note, I do use a couple images in this video, and just for thoroughness and for your ease of trying this out, I did include those. It's Hero Leopard 1 and Hero Leopard 2. Okay, so now over in my Shopify store, I'm just at home right now. If I go to online store and then themes, that will show me all the themes that I have. And I'm just working on this blank Dawn one. So I'm going to go to under theme library here, click these three dots, and then click edit code. So here's where we're going to start adding that code from that GitHub repository into Shopify. So in this folder here, you can open it with whatever code editor you want, or just some text editor. However, it will be easiest for you to copy and paste the code from these files. Go ahead and use that. I'm going to use VS Code, so I'm just going to right click on this and click open with code. And then let's go ahead and look at what we have in here. I'll zoom in a little bit to try to make it easier for you to see. I know it could be tough on these screen captures to see. But this is the file we want to start with here, the flickity.liquid. And maybe a good way to do it, just to make sure you don't rename something or give it the wrong name, just copy the names, and then we're going to go in the sections folder and click add a new section. And the first one is just going to be flickity.liquid, and the .liquid is automatically added. So we'll say done, and it will create that file for us. And then we'll go into the flickity.liquid file here. We'll press Control A, Control C to copy everything, and then back into the liquid file, we'll press Control A and Control V, and then we will go ahead and click Save. So now that we got our liquid file in there, we can start adding these dependency assets into our assets folder. So we can close sections here and go down to assets, and let's click add a new asset. And we'll start with these four. Just keep it simple. Go right in order. And for these ones, I think I can actually just drag and drop them. So I'm going to try that, and I'll go right in order to keep it simple. So flickity.css, I can see right there. The type is cascading style sheet document. I'm just going to drag that over here and click done. Okay, then I'm going to do it again. So the next one is the flickityfade.css. Add that one as well. Done. And move right down the list. So the next one was MC custom slider.css. I'm MC in case you were curious. Okay. And I will add that one. And then the last CSS file we need is the animate.min CSS. I will add that one as well. And we are done with our style sheets. And so now I'm going to start adding our JavaScript files, these three right here. And then once that is done, should be all set. So let me add a new asset again and look for flickity.packaged.js. And it's this one right here. Add that one. And now we'll add flickity-fade.js. And finally, jQuery -3.6.1. So there we go. All of our files are uploaded. So now I am actually going to exit this code editor, and I'm going to go into this Dawn theme. That's the one we were just working on. And I'm going to go ahead and customize. Now if I go down to add section, I should be able to find flickity slider. Sure enough, there it is. And I'm just going to drag this all the way to the top. And then I'm going to click add a slide. And as you can see, we got this missing image icon, header text here, subheader text here. So I'm going to click select an image, and I prepared a couple images. So I'm going to actually upload one of them. Let's do this one, see how this looks. That looks pretty cool. And I'm going to just change some of the text now. So I'll click select. And header text here, we'll say shop winter collection. And then we can do a subheading. We'll just say available now. Then we got our call to action, the shop now. That seems perfectly fine as it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then I'm going to go over here to on the left pane here where it says flickity slideshow. And I'm going to click add slide. So in the second slide here, I'm going to select an image. And I'm going to choose this one here now. And I will click select. And then for the heading, we'll say spring collection. Shop spring now. And then we can choose, I didn't do this for the other one, a link. We can do collections. Let's just do this one. Click save, and actually I can change the first one as well. So not sure why they're showing all stacked up like that. But anyway, going back to the first one, let's change that to foils and click save. Okay, so now we got both of those there, and now they're not stacked up anymore. Not sure why it does that, but as you can see, we have a slideshow. We got the winter collection and then the spring collection. And then if we change the view to mobile, we'll see that the words come down a little bit underneath, and you have this nice little indicator of where they are on the slideshow. And as you can see, when you change it, you have a nice little fade in effect for the words. And it's the same thing on desktop. So let's go ahead and preview this. I'm going to click these three dots and then click the preview icon. And you can see, let me just refresh that. You'll see the words fade in. And then when it goes to the next one, they fade in, and now it's got that overlay so it shows up even on a dark background. And then if I move to the mobile view, looks terrific on mobile as well. And then you can see you can expand it and it will adjust and look great on any screen size. So there you have it. Hopefully this is helpful for your site. If you need it customized, feel free to reach out to me, and for a pretty reasonable price, I can work with you to get it working and looking exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching. If this has been helpful, please like, please subscribe, and here is my contact information in case you'd just like to connect on LinkedIn. I always love to network with people, and especially front-end developers and Shopify developers. And also, if you just need to get a hold of me and would like to work with me, go ahead and reach out to me on any of these platforms. Thanks again and have a great day.